we are on the 1 hour time frame, and we're trying to identify the market cycle, where price is at the moment, and what possible opportunities we can be able to get out of the market. So we can identify we have our peak low here. Market has given us one level of rise, second level of rise, third level of rise. This is where the current price position is, and we know the concept of the 3 counts, the 3-day count. And doesn't matter, Monday gives you day 1, day 2, day 3. So having established we already have 3 levels of rise, what are we anticipating to have? A potential high of the day. If the market gives us a potential high of the day, we can sell the market because it gives us the opportunity to counter trend, because the trend is looking bullish. But knowing that we already have 3 levels of rise at these highs here, it gives us a high probability setup for us to get a sell opportunity, right? So this is just to confirm it, right? This is day 1 of rise, this is day 2 of rise, and this is day 3 of rise. Now we know that we already have 3 levels of rise. Now we'll go down to the 15 minutes time frame and look for a particular setup which is going to give us an opportunity to look for that sell opportunity that we are looking for. And if the dealers do provide that opportunity, we'll be able to engage the market for a sell opportunity. So let's go to the 15 minutes time frame and see what the dealers are going to do.
So on the 15 minutes time frame, we've identified the Asian range, and price has gone above the Asian range. That is the first thing that you need to do. London has created a high, a new high of the day. New York market open has just come in to lock in that high to give us the second leg of the M formation's potential high of the day, right? So what we're looking for here is our entry candlestick pattern, which we have identified as a bearish engulfing candle on the second leg, right? That is the highlight that I've given you. That is the second leg. The entry candlestick pattern is bearish engulfing candle. This is the risk I'm looking at least 15 pips from that high, from the current price entry. But I'm bearing in mind that there's a possibility the market can come break that high and issue another entry. We'll still have to wait and observe, right? You can set your pending orders as well if you don't want to do a market execution. And let's wait and see what the dealers are going to do. So that is your pending orders, and your risk will be 25 pips from that entry of pending. Right, so my first entry of 15 pips, I was stopped out, but the pending orders were not activated, right? And here we have another opportunity to look for another entry if the dealers do provide. So at this point here, we have to observe keenly and see if we get another entry, we're gonna get into the market. So always know that at times the pattern can be there, you can get stopped out, right? Just like how I got stopped out, it is okay. So at this point in time, I'm waiting to see how this market is gonna go, right? And at the current price, I'm gonna make another entry for a sell, right? My sell was activated. Now you can do a market execution. The cord of wood entry trigger has been issued. We can accept the risk now. 4 candles stuck together at that high. That is a confirmation that we are going to enter for another sell. So I have 2 positions on this here, right? And let's see how this market is gonna run. That is the process that you have to follow. Focus on the process, and the outcome will take care of themselves. So you've seen how we did the analysis from the 1 hour time frame to identify the cycle where we are. We've come back down to the 15 minutes time frame to look for an entry that will guide us in the direction in which the market is intending to go this particular morning. So if you have accepted the risk and you have your pending orders waiting, just sit back and let the dealers do what they have to do. You've done your part, you've analyzed, you understand what the dealers are going to do. You've done your execution. Be patient and allow the dealers to do their part. The most important is the pattern, the timing, and the entry. And if you're finding these tutorials are helpful, kindly subscribe, like, comment, and share this video to other traders so that we can help as many people as possible. So that is basically the process that we go through in a daily basis to identify high probability setup. So we've done that to ourselves, we've identified the potential probabilities, we've entered the market, and the risk has been accepted, and this is where we are.